Hi everyone, my name is Krishananjali and welcome back to my channel German with Krishna. I hope all of you are doing fine in this pandemic and learning new things and keeping yourself busy. So guys, let's move ahead in our journey of learning language. So far we have covered alphabet, sound in German language and basic phrases and verbs. Now today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in German language. So we are going to learn some basic phrases in German language by which you can introduce yourself. So my recommendation to you would be that you make notes side by side and please do write the pronunciation in whichever language you are comfortable with. And suppose if you want to write the pronunciation in Hindi, please write the pronunciation in Hindi. If you're comfortable with English, please write the pronunciation in English. So guys, let's begin with the first word. What you see on my screen is basically the German word for introduction. As I told you in my previous video, sounds in German language, V is pronounced as V. Okay, so V is V in German language, and that's why this pronunciation will be Vorstellung. So when it comes in a word, the pronunciation is F. So this word will be pronounced as Vorstellung. You can write this Vorstellung. Vorstellung means introduction. Okay, so the first thing is Hallo. So in German, hello is Hallo. So remember, A is A in German. So that's why it is Hallo. Now the next sentence is Mein Name ist Krishna. You can say your name in the end. Mein Name ist Krishna. So you remember that IE is pronounced as I. Okay? So if these two letters, vowels are there in German, you will pronounce it as combinedly like I. My, mine. Okay? And this E in the end, like in this word Nama, this E in the end will be pronounced as A in the end. So this will be Nama. Ist, IST is, which means is. So mine means my, Nama is name, is. So my name is, and then you write your name. Ich komme aus. So ich komme aus. Where do you come from? So you write the name of the place. Like for example, if you come from India, you can write Ich komme aus Indien. 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 In English, I am saying it. INDIEN. That's Indien. So that's the German word for India. So if you want to say that I come from India, you can say Ich komme aus Indien. I come from India. Then you want to say I live in. So where do you reside? Ich wohne in. Ich wohne in Neu-Delhi. Neu means new. Ich wohne in Neu-Delhi. Neu-Delhi is basically New Delhi. Okay, so you can write your city's name. So that's okay. You can write your city's name wherever you live. Now, the next sentence is Ich spreche. Whatever language you speak, you can write Ich spreche Hindi, English. English is basically English. So if you speak English, you can say English. That's the spelling of English, by the way. So SCH, as I told you in sounds in German language video, SCH is pronounced as sh. So this is English. Then we come to the next sentence. It is Ich bin. Whatever your age is, you can write a number here. Ich bin Jahre alt. Ich bin Jahre alt. I am dash year old. So whatever is your age, you can put the number in between. Okay, so ich means I, bin means I am, Jahre is basically year, and alt is old. So ich bin dash Jahre alt. So the next sentence is meine Hobbys sind Lesen, Tanzen, Reisen, which means meine means my, hobbies is like hobbies, sind is art, Lesen means reading, Tanzen means dancing, Reisen means traveling. So if you're not understanding much, do not worry guys, we will be doing one short video on the verb conjugations as well, and I will be getting into details there, how do we conjugate the verbs and why is it that we are writing mine here in my. So all these things will be cleared in few more videos, so do not worry. Let's move ahead with our next sentence. Meine Telefonnummer ist. Meine Telefonnummer ist. My telephone number is. Meine E-Mail-Adresse ist. Meine E-Mail-Adresse ist. My email address is. So guys, these were all the lines which you can use while giving your introduction, and I hope that has helped you and you will be able to give a fluent introduction after going through these lines and mugging them up. I want you to understand them as well, but the understanding will be better once we have gone through the other topics as well. So do not worry, I'll come up with more videos where we will be clarifying those topics. So our next topic would be numbers and basic symbols. I want you to understand how do we say numbers, how do we say big numbers, and what are the basic symbols for, like for example @ and comma and full stop. How do we say these words in these symbols in German? And if there are any questions, if there are any suggestions, please do write them in comment box. I need your suggestions. I want your questions to be solved. I want your all queries to be resolved. So do not hesitate. Please write it in comment and let me know whatever I can rectify or whatever I can improve yourself, so that you have a very 360-degree understanding of the topics. Thank you so much guys for watching. Good night and have a nice day.